Hi friends, I am Sharath. I am working as a nursing tutor. Today we will discuss one topic from OBG. The topic is placenta. Next, we will discuss the definition of the placenta. The placenta is the organ that developed during the pregnancy. During the pregnancy, inside the uterus, one organ will be developed, that is placenta. This structure provide oxygen and nutrient to the growing uterus. Okay, this is a placenta help for the providing oxygen and nutrient to the growing baby, and it help to remove the waste product from the baby's blood. The placenta also help for the remove the waste product from the baby's blood. That is placenta. The placenta is the organ that develop in the uterus during the pregnancy. This structure provide oxygen and a nutrient to the growing baby and remove the waste product from the baby's blood. That is placenta. Next, we will discuss regarding the function of the placenta. The first function placenta is protection or protective function. In protection or protective function, the placenta acts as a protective barrier for the fetus against the harmful agent in the maternal blood. That is one of the protective function of the placenta. Some other functions are there. The substance molecular weight is 500 Dalton does not cross the placental barrier. The substance molecular weight is greater than 500 Dalton. The placenta does not cross. The large molecule size drug like insulin, heparin transferred minimal through the placental barrier. That is another protective function of the placenta. Next, we will discuss regarding the nutritive function of the placenta. In nutritive function, the placenta provide adequate nutrition to the growing fetus. The mainly the providing food items like glucose, amino acids, lipids, water and electrolytes. Some minerals like sodium, potassium, calcium, iron, phosphorus, and some vitamin like water soluble and fat soluble vitamins are providing through the placenta. That is a nutritive function of the placenta. Next function of the placenta is respiratory function. In respiratory function, the carbon dioxide and oxygen transported by the simple diffusion process through the placenta. This is a respiratory function of the placenta. Next function of the placenta is excretory function. In excretory function, in fetal body, some unwanted waste product are there. That is urea, uric acid and creatinine that will remove from the fetal blood through the placenta. Next function of the placenta is hormone production. The placenta produce HCG. HCG means human chorionic gonadotropin. It mainly produced by the syncytio-tropoblastic cells in the placenta. Some other hormones like human placental lactogen, growth factors, pregnancy associated plasma proteins also the placenta will be produced. That is about the function of the placenta. First, we will discuss about the shape and weight of the placenta. The shape of the placenta is like discoid or hemochorial or deciduate. Discoid means shape like a disc. That is the shape of the placenta. The placenta development will be started by 6th week and the development will be completed by the 12th week of gestation. That is the development of placenta. At term, the placenta is look like a circular disc. It is about 15 to 20 centimeters diameter and 2.5 centimeter thickness. The weight of the placenta is 500 mg. Okay, that is about the weight. The placenta and weight of the baby is 1:6 ratio. The weight of the placenta and weight of the baby ratio is 1:6. That is about the placental shape, weight. Next, we will discuss about the surface of the placenta. In placenta has two surface, maternal surface and fetal surface. First, we will discuss the maternal surface of the placenta. In maternal surface of the placenta is rough, dull red. The maternal surface of the placenta is rough and dull red in color. It has 15 to 20 elevated area is called cotyledons. In maternal surface, 15 to 20 elevated projections are there, that is cotyledons. Next, we will discuss the fetal surface of the placenta. The fetal surface of the placenta is smooth and shiny because of it covered by the amniotic membrane. That's why the fetal surface is smooth and shiny. Then in center of the fetal surface of the placenta, the umbilical cord is attached. Okay, that is about the fetal surface. The placenta developed from the chorionic villi, and the mature placenta has 500 ml in blood is there. Next, we will discuss the placental membranes. It has three membranes: outer syncytiotropoblast, cytotropoblast, and basement membrane. In connective tissue and endothelium is also known as basement membrane. In outer syncytiotropoblast cells produce the HCG. Okay, this is about the placental membrane. Next, we will discuss about the umbilical cord. Umbilical cord, it is a connection between the placenta and fetus during the pregnancy. During the pregnancy, the placenta and fetus connected through the umbilical cord. The length of the umbilical cord is about the 50 to 60 centimeter, diameter 2 centimeter. The shape is tortoise. Tortoise means twisted, showing false nodes in the umbilical cord. That is the shape of the umbilical cord. The content of umbilical cord, it contains two arteries and one vein will be there. It is embedded with the water and jelly and is surrounded by the amniotic membrane. The umbilical cord has two arteries and one vein will be there. It is embedded with the water and jelly and is surrounded by the amniotic membrane. Next, we will discuss about the attachment. The umbilical cord is attached to the central surface of the placenta, and another end is attached to the central aspect of the fetal abdomen wall. That is the attachment.